Hi, I'm Carla of Home-Style&Botanicals. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to make your room smell fresh, delightful, and how to make any room in your home smell simply amazing. If this is something that you're interested in, please stay tuned. So recently on this channel, I've done projects showing you how to refresh and clean your artificial flowers, the stems as well as the petals, and keep them vibrant and long lasting. Because they're artificial flowers, you don't have to worry about them dying or feeding them. However, you do have to be concerned with keeping them fresh, vibrant, and dust free and debris free. If you haven't had a chance to check out the video where I show and share how I maintain my artificial flowers by cleaning them and keeping them free of dust and debris, feel free to check that video out after you watch this video, and yeah, leave that video a thumbs up as well. I love the fragrance of eucalyptus. When I purchased these particular eucalyptus stems, they came with the faint fragrance of eucalyptus already infused within the stems. So the way that I keep these fresh is after I do clean them, I will go in with my eucalyptus oil, and I'll just use like a light Q-tip. Here's my eucalyptus oil here. And this I just picked up from Walmart, really inexpensive, probably about like $5 or so, but not too expensive, not gonna break the bank, and definitely is worth it because they last, definitely worth it because this lasts just as long, if not better, than any air freshener that you may spray in the air or plug into your wall. So this is eucalyptus here, and again, I think it was only about like $5 at Walmart, that particular brand, but the prices may range depending on what brand you pick. But again, I love eucalyptus, and the fragrance of eucalyptus just smells amazing, leaves the room fresh. One thing about eucalyptus, if you're not feeling well, it kind of like picks up your mood. I grew up smelling this fragrance with my great-grandmother, and it really does remind me of her. That's where my love for the fragrance eucalyptus stems from, just when I was a girl, long time ago. To start, I like to use a Q-tip and just dab a little bit of eucalyptus oil on a Q-tip. A little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. And you can use any fragrance that you like. It doesn't have to be eucalyptus, but I like the fragrance of eucalyptus. So I may dab like about 3 dabs on to the Q-tip, or you can kind of like shake, shake, shake like that there. And what I do is just take a leaf and just lightly dust the leaf, maybe the top and the bottom, with a little bit of oil. And like I said, a little goes a long way. Believe it or not, this aroma and this fragrance that's filling the room right now is just simply delightful. And again, when you're not feeling like the best, maybe you probably aren't feeling well, maybe in your spirits, in your mood, or you don't feel well, and you may feel a little physically ill, this really helps pick up my mood. So I hope that you can see how I'm applying the oil. It's really simple, and it just gives this whole room just a fragrance that is unimaginable. It's so pretty and delightful. And then hopefully you can see the oil there, but you don't, again, you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. These particular stems are burgundy. That's why they were washed. I did clean them, but I noticed that they kind of like bled. They even bled off on a couple of my white cream flowers there. But that's okay because they're silk flowers. It just blended right in, and it wasn't really a big deal. So, but they're not dirty. If you notice that with the Q-tip, it's not dirty. It's just bleeding off some of the color onto the Q-tip. So this particular stem, oh my goodness, you guys. And I still, again, can faintly smell it where I didn't put it, but where I put it is just a blast of refreshing, vibrant, beautiful fragrance. So yeah, Oh, so delightful, you guys. So delightful. Another fragrance that I really love to use with the Q-tip method is Mulberry. I really love this fragrance. Again, Walmart. And I've had this a while. I'm pretty much almost out of it. And so I hope I can find it again. But this has been one of my favorites. The eucalyptus is new. So I've had it before. I use tea tree, ylang, or is it lang lang? I'm sorry. Forgive me. And also peppermint. Peppermint is another great one that just really picks up your mood, makes the room smell fresh and revitalized and just overall delightful. So again, the mulberry is so pretty. This is a very, very pretty floral scent and fruity, of course, because it's fruity, but it also gives pretty floral scent. It also gives a pretty floral scent. So what I'll do is, since I've been using this, I'll just kind of run this around there and maybe dab some on. Oh, sorry about that. So we like to have fun here. Don't take it too serious. So what I like to do is go around my flower petals and just infuse the fragrance within the flowers onto the petals from the Q-tip. Now you can use like a cotton swab or maybe even a cloth or a paper towel or something like that. But I like to use a Q-tip because it minimizes the amount of oil that I'm using. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And then also, whatever you're applying it with, you don't want for that to pick up more of the oil than your actual petals here. So that's why, oh, amazing. It's so pretty. I wish you were here. I wish you were here to smell it. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, you guys. So as you can see, nothing ran onto this cotton swab from that because we just cleaned these the other day, not too long ago. It's springtime, so it's the end of spring going into summer, and you know, during that time of year there are a lot of spring cleaning projects, and I've been doing my own fair share of spring cleaning projects around the house, and cleaning my artificial flowers has been one of my projects that I've been doing around the house. With all my artificial floral arrangements, it's just go in and there have been times where I will just, you know, dab straight onto the leaf with the oil. And then I don't know if you can see that there. But sometimes it tends to just sit there on the petal. So I like to actually spread it out and infuse it throughout all of the petals and on each flower. Yeah, simply pretty. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. I wish you were here. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Simply adorable. I love it. And I hope you do too. I hope you like this idea. It's kind of like a hack to air freshener and just how to make your environment smell pretty and amazing. The eucalyptus especially. Fun fact about eucalyptus. Eucalyptus helps absorb musky, stuffy smells. You know, the smells that we're trying to get rid of when we're spring cleaning, because the environment has probably been closed up all winter long. So eucalyptus definitely helps the environment absorb some of those musky, moldy, thick, humid environments, if you will. Sheer Delightful, and I had already put some in this one because I created a short video. My short videos have been doing really well. I just started this channel, and yeah, so this one here is already infused. I don't know if you're picking that one up there, but here it is here. This is a really pretty flower. I just purchased this flower and incorporated it into this particular arrangement, floral arrangement. I just recreated this floral arrangement actually. in the last video. So yeah, but they smell simply delightful. Now they're clean, they're fresh, they're free of dust and debris, as you can see from the last video. If you've checked that out. If you haven't, again, go and check it out. But now they're full of a fragrance that makes the environment smell welcoming, beautiful, delightful, and pretty. So I don't know why this one keeps, maybe I need to do something else with this one. So if this is your vibe, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. This is Carla with Home-Style&Botanicals. I will see you in my next video. I so appreciate you for watching. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but you stopped by here. And yeah, I hope this was super helpful and informative. And that's what this channel is pretty much really about. And giving those friendly home style hacks. I feel like I need to give you all a name over here on this channel. What about, since it's a home channel, Home-Style&Botanicals? Homies? Bye, homies. I think I like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, again, this is Carla. Bye, homies.